Right. So we came to the next class. Problem number 16. The matrices. This is determinant of P, B, C. P plus A, Q plus B, QC, A, B, R equal to 0. Then we have to find the value of P by P minus A plus Q by Q minus B plus R by R minus B. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the options. P by P minus A plus Q by Q minus B plus R by R minus C we have to find. So let us try the above operations. R2 implies R2 minus R1 and R3 implies R3 minus R1. Complex. First row has to B, B, C. R2 minus R1. How much will we get here? A, Q, 2C minus 6. R3 minus R1. A minus B, B minus B 0, R minus C. Okay? Now take P minus A common from first column, Q minus B common from second column, and R minus C common from third column. From first column, I have taken the second column. How much will we get? This is P by P minus A. This is A by P minus H. Or else C. And we have another option. Again, apply R1 implies R1 minus R2. And this is E minus Q, B minus Q, 0. And this is A, Q, C. A minus P, 0, R minus C. Okay? Is it right? Right. Next. From first column P minus A. Now take second column Q minus B and this is R minus C. Now how much will we get? This is 1. A by B minus A. This is minus 1. Right? This is B minus Q minus B. I have taken column. This is minus 1. This is Q by Q minus B. This is 0. Take R minus C column. 0. C by R minus C. 1 equal to 0. If you take this is equal to 0, P equal to K, P equal to A, but it is given P not equal to A, Q not equal to B, R not equal to C, C given, which is already given in the given problem. So take this one, expand the element, remove this and expand the element. So 1 into Q by Q minus B into 1 minus 0. Minus 1 minus plus, again 1 into, how much will we get here? A by B minus A plus C by R minus 0 into something 0, this is equal. So this is A by B minus A plus Q by Q minus B plus C by R minus C, we got 0. But what we have to find? We have to find the value of P by P minus A. But here given, we got A by P minus A. There Q by Q minus B, Q by Q minus C, no problem. There R by R minus C, but we want C by R minus C. So, in a numerator we have to get B here. So that's right, add B and subtract B. Okay, right. Add B and subtract. So this is P plus A minus P by what? P minus plus Q by Q minus B as it is given. So no need to change that. Here numerator R is given, but we got C. That's why add R and subtract R here. Okay. Now see, split here. This is P by P minus A. Next one, A minus P by P minus A. Is it right or not? Split the fraction up here. P by P minus A plus A minus P by P minus A. What is this value? If you take minus 1, it gets cancelled. So this is P by P minus A minus 1. Keep the second term as it is. Here also split here. This is R by R minus C C minus R by R minus T. Take minus 1, you get minus 1 equal to 0. What is minus 1 minus 1? Minus 2. Take the minus 2 x. So find the answer. P by P minus A plus Q by Q minus B plus R by R minus C is equal to how much? 2. So where is the answer? Third option is the answer. P by P minus A plus Q by Q minus B plus R by R minus C is equal to 2. This is problem number 16. 17th problem. The number of solutions of the system of equations 2x plus y minus z equal to 7. Second equation, third equation. What we have to find? Number of solutions. First option 0, second option 1, third option 2, fourth option is given by 3. How can you find the number of solutions? No need to do matrix here. See. Already we know if two equations having in terms of two variables a1x plus b1 by equal to c1, a2x plus b2 by equal to c2, we have three cases. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then the system has no solution. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then the system has unique solution, consistent case. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then it has infinite solution. For that, but this is here in this problem, three equations are given in terms of three variables. That's why I am going to eliminate any one variable. Tell me what variable you want to eliminate simply. You eliminate x. Whatever the variable you want to eliminate from the first two equations, same variable we have to eliminate from second and third also. Okay, so then only you will get two equations in the terms of two variables. Understood now? Now, for first equation, I am multiplying with 2. How much what will happen here? This is 2. Okay, this is what? 4x plus 2y minus 2z equal to what? 40. Right, this one? X minus 3y plus 2z equal to 1. Add these two gets cancelled. That means z is eliminating. This is 5x minus y equal to what? 50. So, from first two equations, I am eliminating z. Now, take 1 and 3. You can take 1, 2 and 1, 3 also. I am eliminating same variable z from 1 and 3. Okay, so how can you multiply it now? Now I am multiplying with 3 for this. This is equation 3. 6x, this is equation 1. 6x plus 3y minus 3z equal to 21. Multiplying with 3. Right, this answer is x plus 4y minus 3z equal to 5. Subtract these two. 6x minus x, 5x. 3y minus 4y minus 5. These two gets cancelled. This is how much we get here? 68. This is equation 2. Now, let us concentrate on equation and equation 2. These two equations are in the form of two variables in terms of only x and y. Now, let us check a1 by a2. So, this is the 5 by 5. This one, minus 1 by minus 1. This is what? 15 by 16. Right? Right. So, 5 by 5 is what? 1. Minus 1 by minus 1, 1. Which is what? Not equal. Is it right or not? So, what is the meaning of this? This is in the form of a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2 because this value is 1. This value is 1 but this is not 1. So, in case, three cases we got. So, this is the first case. So, what is the answer? The system is consistent and the answer is no solution. No solution means 17th problem, right? Number of solutions. Since there is no solution, how many number of solutions? 0. Answer is what? First option. Next. This is problem number 17. 18 problem you can do. 18, 19, 20 simple problems are there. 21, 23. This is also simple problem. The square matrix A is given. Aij is equal to 0 for I not equal to j and Aij equal to some k constant where I equal to j. I equal to j means what? I means position of the row, J means position of the column. Here, whenever the position of the row and the position of the column are not equal, the value is given 0. Whenever position of the row and the position of the column are equal, in that place, we will take K. What is the meaning of this? For example, if I write this one. First row, first column, second row, second column, third row, column. That means the units which are in the principal diagonal, they are lying same row and same column. Position of the row and position of the column are equal. That means what? So what is this matrix we get now? K. Principal, all principal diagonals are given K. Remaining all units are what? 0. So this is A11, A22, A33, and so on. These are the first row or second column. Position of the row and position of the column are not equal. In such case, remaining all zeros. What type of matrix is this? Now let us check the options. What is this matrix? Scalar matrix. What are the options given? Problem number 23. Unity matrix, scalar matrix, null matrix, diagonal matrix. What is the difference between scalar matrix and diagonal matrix? Diagonal matrix means every element in the diagonal, principal diagonal is non-zero and the remaining elements are zeros. Whether the elements in principal diagonal may be equal or may not be equal. What is scalar matrix? Every element in the principal diagonal must be non-zero and they are all equal, remaining all elements are zeros. So what is the answer? Answer is scalar matrix. Right. Next. 26. Note down. Characteristic equation of two Gaussian matrix. 24, 25 we will do. So what is the characteristic equation? A square minus trace of A into A plus determinant of A into I equal to 0. Note down this condition and find the value. So this is what is capital given here? 1, 3, 2, 1. So substitute here A square. No need to find A square. Trace of A. Trace is sum of all elements in this line. 1 plus 1, 2. 2A plus determinant of A. Find the determinant of this matrix separately. A minus 1 minus 6 minus 5. So this is minus 5 into I equal to 0. So we'll take 5 and x. A square minus 2A equal to what? 5i. But we have to find determinant of this thing. Determinant of A square minus 2A equal to determinant of 5. We should be very careful. This is in the form of we should not write this 5 into determinant of 5 because this is in the form of determinant of K power n into del K. So 5 power. What is order of 5? Since this is 2 cross matrix, we will take 2 cross matrix. So 5 power n, 5 square into del K. N means 2. Order of the matrix is 25 into what? Determinant of 5. 1. Answer is 25. So 26th problem is over. 27, 28, 29 and 30 also we can do. Let us do the problem 31. This matrix is here singular. Singular means what? Already we know what is singular matrix. If a determinant of A equal to 0, that is singular matrix. If a determinant of A not equal to 0, that is a non-singular matrix. So take the determinant of this matrix 0. Expand the determinant here. This is what? Cos theta into cos theta minus 0. Cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta minus 0. Sin theta. This is 0. This is how much we get now. Cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to 0. What is this value? Cos 2 theta. We know the formula. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. This is 0. How to get 0? Cos 90. So equidant is 2 theta equal to pi by 2. Theta equal to what? Pi by 4. This is the way how to find the value of theta. Next, 32, 33, 34 are same answer only. 35. A plus B plus C equal to 0 and determinant of A minus X C B C B minus X A B A C minus X equal to 0. We have to find one root of this determinant. This equation. Apply R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. फॉर्म चल गया R1 plus R plus R. A plus B plus C minus X. Here also A plus B plus C minus X. Here also A plus B plus C minus X. So this is C, B minus X, A. This is B, A, C equal to. Already it is given A plus B plus C equal to 0. Substitute this is 0 minus X. Minus X, minus X, minus X. C, B minus X, A. B, A, C minus X equal to 1. 0. Take minus X common here. From first row, 1, 1, 1. C, B minus X, A. B, A, C minus X equal to 2. Now if you get this is 0, what is one of the solution? X equal to 0. Of course, minus X equal to 0 means X equal to 0. Let us check whether this root is given in the options or not. First option A plus B, second option 0, B plus C, A plus C. So it is not given that in the problem X not equal to 0. So we can take this. This is the one root of the given equation. So similarly, 36, 37, 38 we can do 39. Next, 36, 37, 38 also we can do 39. 39 problem which is given. This is A square minus A plus 2y equal to 0. The mistake is given plus 0 is given. That is not plus 0. Correct that. A square minus A plus 2y equal to 0. Now we have to find A inverse. A square minus A plus 2y equal to 0. We have to find A inverse. Multiply A inverse on both sides. So this is A inverse into A square minus A plus 2y equal to A inverse into. So matrix is associated how to write this now? A inverse into A square means A into A, right? What is A inverse into A? I into A. A. So this is obviously very common to get now. A minus A inverse into A. How much? I plus 2 into 2 is scalar. A inverse into Y. Again A inverse equal to 0. So from this you can find A inverse. Right, this is 2A inverse. Take this direction. How much will get here? I minus. So this is what is A inverse? I minus A by 2. Or 1 by 2 into I minus. Where is the option? Problem number 39. Answer is what? B. I minus A by 2. Problem number 40. Capital A is given f of x. Find A inverse. You can find a solution of the simply. Next, 41. Determinant of A square, A cube minus 1, B square, B cube minus 1, C square, C cube minus 1 equal to 0. Where what is given? A comma B comma C are distinct. Distinct means they are all different. Then first option A plus B plus C equal to 1, AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0, A plus B plus C equal to 0, and the fourth option is given ABC equal to 1. Right. See, let us observe the third column. That is sum of, difference of two elements. So we can split this. How can I split this time? A, B, C. This is A square minus B square. A square, B square, C square. This is A cube, B cube. This is first determinant. Split this one. Minus or else this is plus. This is A, B, C. A square, B square, C square. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Equal to what? 0. You can take minus 1. You can write minus here. This is what? 1. Understand? Right. Now what do we do here? Now, in the first determinant, I am taking A common. In second determinant, I am taking second row B common. From first row, A is common. Second row, B is common. And third row, C is common. Tell me one minute. 1 A square. 1 B square. C common. 1 C square. Minus determinant of this is A square 1, B square 1, C square equal to what? 0. Now if you see these two determinants, they are looking like same. Now let us try to interchange. See here first term is 1 1 1. So I am interchanging C1 double implies C3, and I am interchanging first column and third column. What will happen? This is ABC. This is sent in 1A square, 1B square, 1C square. So if you interchange the two rows or two columns, you will get minus outside, minus into minus plus. How much you will get now? 1 1 1. Right? This is A square, B square, C square. This is ABC equal to. First column 1 1, first column 1 1. Second column ABC. Again interchange these two. C2 double minus C3. Now how much will you get? ABC into 1A square, 1B B square. Again you are interchanging these two, you get minus outside. Plus into minus minus. So this is minus 1 1 1. Second column in third column plus third column plus. Now if you observe clearly, these two determinants are same. If you take this determinant is common, how much will you get? ABC minus 1 equal to what? 0. So answer is what? ABC equal to 1. Next. Problem number 42. These three equations are given. As no solution, we have to find the value of lambda. Let us consider the augmented matrix 1 1 1 6. This is 1 2 lambda 0. 1 2 3 10. Now I am going to convert this into echelon form. Applying R2 implies R2 minus R1. R3 implies R3 minus R2. So this is 1 1 1 6. R2 implies R2 minus R1. 0. 2 minus 1 1. This is lambda minus 1. Minus 6. R3 minus R2. 0. 2 minus 2. 0. This is 3 minus lambda. This is how much? 10 minus 0. 10. Next. Now how much will it be? What is given? Lambda is equal. Right. So this is the echelon form of the given matrix. What is A? This is A, and complete matrix is A. If rank of A is not equal to rank of AB, then only the system has no solution. Now, if you take 3 minus lambda not equal to 0, otherwise, if you take 3 minus lambda equal to 0, what will happen? If this is 0, what is rank of A? 0, 0, 0. If you assume this is 0, what is rank of A? This is echelon form. Number of non-zero rows in echelon form of the given matrix is rank of the matrix. So 1 1 1 non-zero, 0 1 lambda is non-zero, 0 0 0. If you take this is 0, what is rank of A? 2. Is it right? Then what is rank of AB? Whether this is 0 or not 0, what is the rank of total matrix? Since this is non-zero, this last row is obviously non-zero. Because even this is 0 or not 0, because 10 is there. Okay, so 0 0, if you take this is 0, 0 0 0 10, non-zero. Okay, so what is rank of A? If you take this is 0, rank of A is equal to 2, and rank of A is always what? 3. So both the ranks are not equal. It is obviously having what solution? No solution. If you don't take this is equal to 0, if this is non-zero, then what is rank of A? 3. Because if this is non-zero, rank of A 3, rank of A B is also 3. That means it has unique solution. But it is given no solution. That's why we will take 3 minus lambda equal to 0. Answer is what? Lambda equal to 3. Right. Next, this is problem number 42. 43 determinant problem. 44, 45 we can do. 46. A is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So what is the value of N? 3. Because obviously we will 3 cross 3. Determinant of 3A equal to K into determinant of A. This is 0. So we have to find the value of what? K. Determinant of 3A equal to K into determinant of A. Right. So this is determinant of 3A equal to K into determinant of A. This is in the form of determinant of Ka where K is scalar. What is the formula? K power n into delta K. So this is K is 3 power n. N means what? 3 because R is because into determinant of equal to what? K into determinant of A as both sides determinant of A is cancelled. What is the answer? K equal to 3 cube. 3 cube means what? 27. Next, this is 46. 47 we can do simply A minus 2y into A minus 3n. 48. This is determinant of 1, 1, 1. This is sin A, sin B, sin C. This is sin square A, sin square B, sin square C. So 4 options are given. Right. Here capital A, capital B, capital C are vertices of a triangle. It is not given in the problem, but actually in triangle ABC. So apply sin rule. What is small a? 2r sin A. What is sin A from this? A by 2r. Okay? Capital A, capital B, capital C are vertices of the triangle. Small a, small b, small c are sides of the triangle. So similarly, this is 1, 1, 1. What is the sin A? A by 2r. Similarly, b equal to 2r sin B. Sin B equal to b by 2r. This is c by 2r. Sin square A. Sin A is already a by 2r. Sin square A means what? A square by 4r. B square by 4r. C square by what? 4r square. Now, from second row, 1 by 2r gets common. From third row, 1 by 4r square gets common. How much will you get here? 1 by 2r into 1 by 4r square. 1 by 8r cube. Determinant of 1, 1, 1. 1 by 2r common, A, B, C. 1 by 4r square common, this is A square, B square, C square. So this is the value. Okay. So keep 1 by 8r to dash this. Okay. Now how can you do this now? Directly I am doing C1 minus C2. 1 minus 1 0. This is A minus B. This is A square minus B square. C2 minus C3 0. This is B minus C. B square minus C square 1 C C square. This is again 1 by 8r cube into. This is A plus B into A minus B. B plus C into B minus C. So in first column A minus B is common. Take first A minus B from first. This is B plus C into B minus C. Here also B minus C. From second column, I am taking B minus C. How much will get from 0, 1. This is A plus B because only A minus B will outside. 0, 1, B plus C, 1 C C square. Okay? So the answer is 1 by 8r cube into. This is A minus B, B minus C. 0 to something, 0 to something. This is how much will get from 1 into B plus C. Take 1 inside, minus A, minus B. So answer is what? Actually B gets cancelled. What is the final answer? This is the answer. Understood? So this is problem number 48. 49. Order of A given 3 cross line. Order of B is given 2 cross line. We have to find the order of B, BA. So first B. If you want to multiply 2 matrices, what is the condition? If the number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So we have to find the order of BA. B means 2 cross 3. A means 3 cross 5. Is BA possible? Tell me. Is BA possible? What is the first matrix here? B. The number of columns in the first matrix. Second matrix A. The number of rows in the second matrix must be equal. So, how many number of columns in the first matrix B? 3. Number of rows in the second matrix A? 3. Both are equal. So, what is the order of BA? 2 cross 5. Remove this 2. 2 cross 5. So, this is the answer. Third option is the answer. Similarly, 50, 51, 52, we can do the problems here. Next, 54, 55, 56, we can do 57. Problem number 57. So remain 52, 51, 57, 56, 54, 53, we can do 57. Three linear equations are given. Has what type of solution? Unique solution. Then we have to find the value of k. First option, k equal to 0. Second option, minus 1 less than k less than 1. Minus 2 less than k less than 2. K not equal to 0. Unique solution means what? Rank of A equal to rank of AB is equal to 3. Let us take augmented matrix AB. This is 1, 1, 1, 2. Try to convert this matrix into echelon form. R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. R3 implies R3 minus 3R1. Now what do we have here? 1, 1, 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 3 minus 4, minus 1. This is 0. 2 minus 3, minus 1. K minus 3. This is 4 minus 6, minus 1. Next, convert this one. R3 implies R3 minus 1. 1, 1, 1, 2. 0 minus 1, minus 3 minus 1. 0. Subtract these two. 0. This is K minus 3, cancel. Only K, this is minus 1. Because minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Now what is the unique solution? Unique solution means rank of A equal to rank of AB must be 3. If you take K equal to 0, then rank of A is equal to 2 only. That's why if you take what? K not equal to 0. If you take K not equal to 0, rank of A is 3 and rank of AB is also 3 because last row is not 0. So answer is what? K not equal to 0. Next. This is 57. Next 58. Determinant of 0, P minus Q, P minus R. Q minus P, 0, Q minus R. R minus P, R minus Q, 0. Now, how can you say the solution of this problem? No need to do this problem. By seeing this problem only, directly we can say the answer is 0. How can you say the answer is 0? Tell me. Every element in the principal diagonal is 0, and moreover, if you multiply the first row with minus, you are getting first column. If you multiply the second row with minus, you are getting second column. If you multiply the third row with minus, you are getting third column. That means what? What type of matrix is this? Skew symmetric matrix. The determinant of a skew symmetric matrix of odd order. What is the order of this matrix? 3 cross 3. We know that the determinant of a skew symmetric matrix of odd order 3 cross 3, 5 cross 5, something like that is always what? 0. Even if you expand also, this is 0. You will get 0. Next. 61. If the density you can do. 61 also note on the hint. A equal to B equal to C equal to 1. 61. A equal to B equal to C equal to 1. 62 universe you can find. 63 we will do. 3 equations given. 3x minus 2y plus z equal to 0. Lambda x minus 14y plus 15z equal to 0. This is x plus 2y plus 3x is equal to 0 as a non-trivial solution. We have to find the value of lambda. Already I told you this concept yesterday. See, if this is a non-homogeneous system of equations or homogeneous system of equations, see this is in the form of what? Ax equal to 0. Right side all the values of constants are 0. This is the homogeneous system of equations. In the homogeneous system of equations, if the homogeneous system of equations have non-trivial solution, that means what is rank of A? less than b. Rank of A less than B means what? Determinant of A equal to 0. Directly I told you. Whenever homogeneous system of linear equations having non-trivial solution, take directly det A equal to 0. What is det A? A means this one. Quotient matrix 3 minus 2 1. Lambda minus 14 15. This is 1 into 3 equal to. Expand this, you will get the value of 1. Expand it. This is 3 into minus 42 minus 30 minus 70 minus 70 minus plus 2 into 3 lambda minus 15, right? Plus 1 into 2 lambda plus 14 equal to 0. So this is how much will you get? Minus 2 minus 6 plus 6 lambda minus 30 plus 2 lambda plus 14 equal to 6 lambda plus 2 lambda 8 lambda. This is minus 246. Minus 246 plus 14 minus 232. So what is the value of lambda? 232 by 8. How much will you get here? 16. Lambda equal to how much will you get here? 29. Where is the option? Second option is the answer. 64 and 65 you can do. If you want to know 65, we will do 65 also. Last problem. One is given determinant of 2 is given here. 2 into 1 1 1 determinant of 1 1 A B C. This is A square minus B C. This is B square minus AC. C square minus A. We have to find this right. We can take a verification by taking the values of A, B, C in place of that, or else how can you do this? 2 into determinant of this is right. We can apply all operations. C1 implies C1 minus C2 and C2 minus C3. See what will happen? 1 minus 1 0. A minus B. This is I am doing enough here. A square minus B C take the minus square. I am doing this simplification separately. Let's say this is A square minus B square. This is C into A minus B. Again take A minus B common because this is A plus B into A minus B. A minus B common. So this is A plus B plus C. So write this here. So this is A minus B into A plus B plus C. Right? Next, C2 minus C3 0. B minus C. This is how much area we get. B minus C into what? A plus B plus C. This is 1 C square minus C. So from first row, what is common? From first, let's expand this directly because we got here 2 into 0 to something 0, 0 to something 0. That's what? 1 into what? This thing and this thing. So how much will you get here? Otherwise, we will take common rates. Take A minus B from first column. Take B minus C from second column. How much will you get? 2 is already there. 0, 1, A plus B plus C. This is 0, 1, A plus B plus C. 1 C square minus 1. Now expand. So this is as this. Expand this to 0 to something 0 to 0. 1 into answer is 0 because first column and second column equal. Whenever 2 rows or 2 columns are equal, we determine the value is 0. That's all.